Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to enable or disable auto call recording in Itel mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your call icon right here. So simply click on here. And it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon from the top side corner. It's going to open up like so. The next thing you need to do to enable the auto incoming call recording, what you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button right here. Now, in the same thing, to disable the auto recording call, what you need to do is to simply turn off this particular button. It's as simple as that. So with that, you have enabled or disabled auto recording of incoming calls in Itel mobile phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.